In this video, I'm going to share with you how to send in larger files using your Gmail account. It's obvious that the limits to file sending within Gmail is 25 megabytes. So anything above 25 will not go, and it will tell you that the sizing is much bigger when you try to upload using the attached file. And if the sizing is more than 25 megabyte, for example, it is going to tell you that it is more than 25 megabytes, so it's going to have a limit to that. So an alternative way to send an email with containing a file that is bigger than 25 megabyte is to use this feature, this inside file, using Drive. So you can just click on it and you can come over. You can add from recent files that you have available, or you can check your Drive or share it with me, or you can upload directly from your system. So you can just go ahead, upload directly from your system. I mean, I have this file and it's about 71 megabytes. I can just go ahead and upload it, and then from there I can just send it to whoever I want to send. So once it is uploaded, you can just go ahead and write in the content and then send it to whoever you want to send to, and put in your subjects, and then you can go ahead and send, and this is going to go to that person you send. If you find this helpful, please leave a like.